Time passes, whether it's good or bad, but memories and people are always remembered. When people decide to part ways, the first thing they do is reduce contact. Don't share all your secrets with anyone. The one who is your sympathizer and well-wisher today may become your enemy tomorrow. Embrace simplicity in life. The simpler your life is, the fewer worries you'll have. A person only loves a good person, but my Lord does not abandon even the bad person. Excessive hatred or love, both without reason, can ruin a person. The past cannot be changed, but the present and future are still in our hands today. Bow before Allah, and Allah will never let you bow before anyone else. Always keep the weapon of patience with you, or you will be defeated. Work so silently that your success makes noise. Wretched is the person who reads life-changing books, but leaves the Quran untouched. Only those are truly yours who care for you even after disagreements. One characteristic of an ignorant person is that they respond before listening. If you want to do something for your parents, at least ensure that no one points a finger at their upbringing because of you. This life is given to you only once. Enjoy the blessings of worship, as these days will not come again.